How to write equations for free radical substitutions. So a typical free radical substitution reaction is when an alkane reacts with a halogen with UV light. So a typical question is, methane, CH4, reacts with Cl2 in the presence of UV light. Write initiation, propagation and termination equations. The overall reaction is CH4 plus Cl2 goes to CH3Cl plus HCl. So the key part of this question is we're going to have to write three different sets of equations: an initiation equation, propagation equations and termination equations. So the three steps are initiation, propagation and termination. So in the initiation step, a molecule goes to two radicals, and throughout this whole thing, molecules will be colour-coded blue and radicals are going to be colour-coded green. So the initiation step is Cl2, chlorine, reacts with UV light, which we usually represent with IHV, goes to 2Cl, and that dot means that the Cl's are radicals. Now there are two propagation reactions, but in all propagation reactions, a radical plus a molecule goes to a molecule plus a radical. So in the first propagation reaction, the chlorine radical, which we made up here, reacts with a molecule of methane, CH4. It removes one of the hydrogens from the methane to make HCl, and the thing that's left, CH3, is a radical. So this hydrogen came from the CH4 and it leaves us with a CH3 dot radical. In the second propagation reaction, a radical plus a molecule goes to a molecule plus a radical. The CH3 radical that we made in here reacts with a molecule of chlorine to give CH3Cl plus a chlorine radical, Cl dot. So these are the two different propagation reactions. Now termination is when two radicals come together and form a molecule. And there are different termination reactions because there are different radicals floating around in a reaction mixture. So one possible termination reaction might be two Cl radicals made from there or from there. They come together and make a molecule. So Cl dot plus Cl dot go to Cl2. A second possible termination reaction, radical plus radical goes to molecule, could be CH3 dot reacting with a Cl dot from there, or a CH3 dot reacting with a Cl dot radical from there. So it would be CH3 dot plus Cl dot goes to CH3Cl. And there's a last one, is you could have two different CH3 radicals, so that one and another one from a different reaction, combined together as CH3CH3. So it would be CH3 dot plus CH3 dot goes to CH3CH3, which is a molecule. So removing the table lines, these are the equations for initiation, the two equations for propagation, 1, 2, and the three equations for termination, 1, 2, 3.